Welcome back to Morley's Market Update, where we've just got the latest data for Q1 of 2024. There have been plenty of changes that happened during the first quarter of 2024. Some trends continued, while others experienced the opposite. Let's start by taking a look at homes in the Exuma real estate market. During the first 3 months of this year, we continue to see the surplus of new listings grow as the supply of homes outweighs the demand. While the volume of new listings took a small dip from last quarter, it is still up 85% year over year. Even though the increasing supply outweighs demand, during Q1 of 2024, we actually see a small decrease in demand. When looking over the data for contracted and completed sales, neither figure experienced increases year over year or quarter over quarter. While neither increased, both figures decreased to the range of sales this market has been experiencing over the past 2 years. With the increase in supply and a slight decrease in demand, the average and median sales prices dropped. This is because the price is heavily influenced by these two factors. With the average sales price being lower than the median, this tells us that there were more low-end sales during Q1 of 2024 than there were high-end sales. Unexpectedly, homes in Exuma are selling faster than they have been in the past 2 years, even with the decrease in demand and the growing surplus of supply. Q1 of 2024 marks the fastest that homes have been sold in this market over the past 2 years. For the list to sale price ratio, we are actually seeing the opposite of the days on the market. Q1 of 2024 instead marks the highest ratio we have seen over the past 2 years. This tells us that sellers in Exuma were less flexible in negotiating the sales price. Now, let's move our attention over to the market for land in Exuma. This market continues to grow in strength as both supply and demand continue to increase from previous quarters. With more and more new listings entering the market, buyers are going to have a lot more options to choose from. Looking year over year, we can see that this volume has more than doubled. While supply continues to increase, it seems that demand is now trying to catch up to the surplus that is being created over the past year. Even though completed sales is down both quarter over quarter and year over year, we believe this is not the best indicator of demand. By combining it with contracted sales, we begin to see the increase in demand that has taken place in this market. With the increase in supply and demand, the sales price for this market should begin to increase as well. While this is not the case with Q1 of 2024, the data tells us that the median sales price is up slightly year over year. But generally, these prices are staying in the range we have seen for the past 2 years. With the increase in demand, one of the figures has responded quickly, which is days on the market for land. Land in Exuma is selling faster than it ever has in the past 2 years. It is now sitting on the market for an average of 46 days, which is less than 2 months. The last figure, the list to sale price ratio, remained relatively high for the Exuma market, but it did experience a decrease from last quarter and an increase year over year. This tells us while there has been some change, don't expect sellers to be more or less flexible in their sale prices than they were before. With more properties up for grabs, whether that be homes or land, buyers get more options. But with increases in demand and buyer competition, prices might begin to creep back up as demand tries to catch up to supply. To view the full report as well as other quarterly and monthly reports, the link will be in the description down below. If you appreciated today's insights, don't forget to like the video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell to stay updated on all things real estate related in the Bahamas.